So, hi guys, so I will install my CPU and CPU fan. First, I will install my CPU. So, I forgot. So, I will install the thermal first before I install the heatsink. So, I don't have thermal paste, so I will imagine it. It's the thermal paste and voila! So, the next step is to install the system fan. So, I'm done installing my system fan. So, I will install the heatsink now. So, I'm done installing the CPU, thermal paste, CPU fan, and the heatsink. That's all. Thank you.